In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up a chessboard on chess.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the Play menu, because this gives the options to play against a random opponent via online, a friend, or with the computer via the bots. I want you to click on it. Now, if you decided to play with a bot, I want you to click the gear icon here on the top corner, because this will load up more options for you. Here you can set up your board exactly how you like. For example, for the pieces, you can choose from a Neo Angle, Game Room, Wood, Glass, Gothic. There's so much options to choose from. Now I'm gonna choose a metal, and for the board you can choose from a burled wood, walnut, glass, brown. Let's say I'm gonna choose something like a metal right here, and then you can also choose the showcase opponent theme. All right, and if you want to enable special themes, you can do that. Now, scroll down until you find the show board coordinates. If you want none, inside or outside, and for the piece notation, you can choose from a text or a figurine. It's up to you. For the move classification style, you can use from default or traditional. And for the piece animations, you can choose from none, slow, medium, but I want it natural or arcade. It's up to you. It's a matter of preferences. Now, for the move methods, you can simply choose from a drag or click squares, or drag pieces. You can also have the option to turn off or turn on the highlight moves and play sounds. Once you're happy, click the save button. From here, you can practice a specific position. Here, you can drag and drop pieces to set up any board you want, which is really great for studying up openings, endgames, or puzzles. Now, if you want more control, I want you to go to the bottom left corner where you can see the gear icon, click the all settings, and I want you to click the boards and pieces. For the boards, you can select from any of the following, okay? You can also hover down here for the show board coordinates, outside, highlight moves, move methods. Basically, there's a lot of options here. For the win celebration, is it going to be like a confetti or none? It's up to you. Okay? And then you can choose the pieces right here. Let's say I'm going to choose something like this one. Okay? For the background, you can choose from a game room, classic, light, wood. It's up to you. For the presets, if you don't want to start from scratch, you can choose from any of the presets that chess.com offers. From green angle, wood angle, blue, pink, it's up to you. Once you're happy, click the save button. It's super simple. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to set up a chessboard on chess.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.